I'm here in the fence row on our west line, and I kept hearing all of these chinks, really metallic-y chinks. And so I've been standing here watching for a while, and I finally caught a glimpse. And they are juvenile, fledged, rose-breasted grosbeaks. There's at least 3 in here. If you don't know what they look like, look them up, because if you're in the east, they could definitely be nesting near you or on your land if you have the right habitat. So since I started talking, none of them are doing it. I'm hearing song sparrow and common yellowthroat and cardinal, field sparrow. That's all right though, everybody. It's working. There. Rose-breasted grosbeaks.